Welcome to Harbourview Roof Terrace, one of CTICC2's spectacular new venues. We, the beverage team, create cocktails for hundreds and thousands of guests each year. Here's a rundown of a few of our favorites.
First up, one of my favorites, the old fashioned. Start with 1 cube of sugar and bitters to muddle. Add ice, add your bourbon, and then we mix. And then we strain. To round it off with some citrus notes, the zest of an orange. And there we have an old-fashioned.
My favorite drink is a rum classic mojito, but today I'll be doing a virgin mojito. I will start with lime wedges. I'll muddle the lime wedges. Then I'll add a single tot of sugar syrup, mint leaves, crushed ice, and finally I top up with sparkling water. The virgin mojito.
Ladies' favorite throughout the world, a must for any bar menu, the classic Cosmopolitan. The key to a good Cosmopolitan is a well-chilled glass. We're just going to leave that on ice while we make our drink. Next up is adding the double tot of citrus vodka, 1 shot of orange liqueur, 1 tot of freshly squeezed lime juice, a dash of simple syrup, and we top it off with cranberry juice. And now to shake. Finish it off with a fresh citrus peel. The Cosmopolitan. A fresh way to serve your drinks this summer is a beautiful fruit ice basket. All you need is a silicone mold, some fresh fruit, and some water.
So there you go. From banquets and weddings to year-end functions, we've got a venue and cocktail for every occasion. Cheers.